Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are transforming a thrifted Oxford shirt to a dreamy summer dress. I have the shirt on the mannequin and I've secured the collar with some pins. The next step is to cut off the sleeves of the shirt. I tried not to cut too high up on the back of the shirt because we're actually keeping the collar and we don't want it to start falling apart later. Once I was done cutting off the sleeve, it was time to decide how I wanted the top half of the dress to look. I used my tailor's chalk as a mark and I was just using my mannequin to guide me through this process. Make sure to use a tailor's chalk if you have one. This is going to stop you from having any unnecessary mistakes later. My next step was the back of the dress. I used the original armhole of the shirt as a guide to know how much fabric to cut off. I moved on to my desk to ensure both sides of the dress was even. I'm just holding the sides together, the seams together with a pin so that it's nice and secure before going ahead to use my ruler and my scissors to trim everything down. To prepare the sleeves, I cut off the cuffs, then I trimmed around the sleeve because I wouldn't be needing any of the seams around it. Using my tailor chalk, I created a squiggly line and then cut around that line. This would be used for the bottom of the dress. As I was making a longer summer dress, I used the blue version of the shirt to extend the skirt. Now it was time to attach the sleeve to the bottom half of the skirt before going ahead to sew it all together. When I finished sewing the two together, I went ahead and hemmed the back of the dress. With all of this done, it was time to attach the shirt to the main body of the skirt. Once I was happy with how all of it was looking, I went back to the sewing machine to stitch it all together. My last and final step was to make a panel at the back of the dress so I can loop in an elastic. This way the dress wouldn't be falling apart later on. I ironed it down and just went ahead and stitched it before looping in the elastic, and guys, this is the result. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you're still not subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah!